What's up, guys? It's Martin G, aka Netpreneur, and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the text case using a free online tool. So before we proceed to the business of the day, I need you to do something for me. If this is the first time you're watching any of my videos or checking out any of my contents or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon to ensure you don't miss out whenever I upload new contents or edit my existing videos. This is to ensure you be the first online to be notified whenever there's an update, and so you don't miss out on my free stuff that I usually give to my subscribers. Yeah, I usually give out free stuff to my subscribers to help them succeed in whatever business they're doing online. So to ensure you don't miss out on those freebies, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell notification icon. So if you've done this, let's proceed to the business of the day. And like I said, today we're going to learn how to change text case online. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using a free online SEO and digital marketing tools platform known as freetools.com. So this platform has over 150 solid premium SEO and digital marketing tools that you can use for free without paying a dime. So if you on limited budget and you can't afford to pay for premium SEO tools like RFs, Moz, and SEMrush, you can always check out this platform. The tools are free to use and they have a lot of solid tools that's going to help you perform premium SEO tags for free. So like I said, to change the text case online, first of all, I need to generate a dummy text, okay? And I'll just need to use the random or the Lorem Ipsum, the dummy text generator tool. I'm going to use this to kind of get the text that we're going to convert or change its text casing. So I'm going to just select how many paragraphs we want. Okay, so paragraphs is fine, and 3 paragraphs is okay. So I just click on generate lorem ipsum. So we can have the dummy text that we can use to or that we want to convert. Okay, like want to convert that change text case. So I click on copy. Okay, so we've copied the dummy text we want to use. So then I'm going to go back to, we're going to search for the change text case tool. So I just have to use the search bar. So we'll select the change text case tool. And so we've gotten to the change text case tool, and we're going to paste the dummy text that we generated with the Lorem Ipsum generator tool. And once we've pasted it, we can select sentence case. We can select lowercase. We can select uppercase. So we've changed our text to uppercase. We can select capitalized case, and we can also select alternating case. Okay, so this change text case tool has different options. So you have sentence case, you have lowercase, you have uppercase, you have capitalized case, and you have alternating case. So depending on which of the case options you want, you can just select and click on copy to clipboard and go paste it wherever you want to. Let's say you want to use it on your blog, or you want to use it or you're trying to use whatever you want to use the text casing for. You just have to select the particular case that you want and click on copy to clipboard to extract the text that you change this case in. So guys, this is how you can change text case online without using MS Word. It's this tool here is free to use, and you can also use all the tools on this platform. Remember, I said there are over 150 tools here, and you can use them for free without paying a dime. All right, guys, thanks for watching. This is all for now. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye for now. Seeing you soon. Bye.